Good morning, children. Today I discuss the playing with numbers. So it is the one of the part of the playing with numbers divisibility rules. So the first rule of divisibility by two. Okay, any number we observe that number is divisible by two. The rule of only the given number ones place or ones place or 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Okay, only we can observe the given number ones place has 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Any this number in the given number, the number is exactly divisible by 2. Suppose example. Okay, example 1. 52,460. Okay, the given number 52,460. It is divisible by 2. So, observe the given number is 52,416. Here, ones place are 6. So, 6 has the ones place. So, 6 also ones place. The number is divisible by 2. So, the given number is divisible by 2. Okay, another example, second, 32,769. So here observe the 32,769. Here ones place 9. So 9 is the not in there. Ones place are only 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 only. But here 32,769, the ones place has 9. So it is not divisible by 2. So the given number ones place has 9. So the number does not divisible by 2. Okay, so here only we can observe the ones place only. Ones place only 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. That numbers only the given number have exactly divisible by 2. So any other numbers in ones place, the number is cannot divisible by 2. Okay, the next rule is by 3. So what is the rule of 3? So any number, given the number, the sum of all digits, the sum of all digits, the sum of all digits, we get result the number divisible by 3. So any number, so given digits, the sum of all digits, we get the result. The number is divisible by 3. The given number also divisible by 3. The given number also divisible by 3. So here example 1. So say number 41,720. 24. Okay, the number is 41,724. So what is the rule of divisible by 3? Sum of all digits. So sum of all digits means 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. What is the value of 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4? 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 4 18. So the number 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is the divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. So 18 divisible by 3. It is also the given number 41,724 also divisible by 3. Okay, the next rule of divisibility rule by 4. By 4. Rule of divisibility by 4. So the given number have last two digits. Okay, the given number have last two digits are divisible by 4. The number also divisible by 4. So listen, rule of 4 is that the given number have a last two digits are divisible by 4. The given number also divisible by 4. Example 1. Listen, 57,450. Okay, here observe 57,415. Here last two digits are 15. 15 is divisible by 4. No, it is no factor of 4. So 15 is not divisible by 4. So the given number also not divisible by 4. The given number 57,415 is not divisible by 4. Okay, another example 36,472. Here last two digits, observe the last two digits 72. So 72 is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 4 because 4. It is the 4 ones are 4. 4 8s are 32. So 4 18s are 72. So 72 is the divisible by 4. So the given number also divisible by 4. 72 is divisible by 4. So the given number is 36,472 is divisible by 4. Okay, so only we can observe the last two digits in the given number. It has divisible by 4. The number also divisible by 4. It cannot divisible by 4. The number also does not divisible by 4. Okay, the next rule, divisibility rule of by 5. Okay, How is the possibility of divisibility rule 5? It is the only the number ones place have 0 and 5 only. The given number, so ones place have 0 and 5 only. It is the divisible by 5. Suppose example 1, 21,462. So here clearly observed 21,462. Here ones place is 2. So is not there 0 and 5. So it is not divisible by 5. So ones place has 2. It is not divisible by 5. So the number also does not divisible by 5. So second example 75365. Okay, 75,365. So here observe ones place has 5. We have 5 in ones place. So ones place 5. So it is divisible by 5. So the number also divisible by 5. Ones place has 5. It is divisible by 5. The given number 75,365 is divisible by 5. Okay, here ones place only 0 and 5. The number is also divisible by 5. Another any number in ones place, it is cannot divisible by 5. The rule of 5. Okay. The next rule of divisibility rule by 6. So how to divisibility rule of 6? You can already divisibility rule by 2 and 3 or we learn. So the any number given number, so both 2 and 3 divisible, so the number also divisible by 6. Any given number divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, any given number divisible by 2 and 3. The number also, the given number also divisible by 6. Okay, the rule of divisibility rule of 6 equal to any given number divisible by 2 and 3. So both 2 and 3 it is divisible. The number also can divisible by 6. Okay, so first example 37,416. Okay, so the number 37,416. First of all, we can observe that it is divisible by 2. So we remember what is the rule of 2? The only rule of 2 is the given number ones place 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So but here the ones place is 6. So 6 is the divisible by 2. So the number is divisible by 2. Here ones place is 6. It's divisible by it's divisible by 2. So here one's place is the 6, it is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 6, divisible by 2. Okay, 37,416. Here one's place is 6. It is divisible by 2. The number also divisible by 2. And another rule of divisibility rule 3. So divisibility rule of 3 equal to the sum of all digits. The sum of all digits equal to, what is the digits in given number? 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. So how much? 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. So 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So the number also 21 is divisible by 3. So the number also divisible by 3. So both the given number 2 and 3 divisibility. So the number is also divisible by 6. The given number 37,416 is divisible by 2 and 3. So the number also divisible 6. Okay.